Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got something fun we're going to share with you. What we're doing is we're at our local Flora B&O Railroad Depot, and what they're having is Cupcake Wars. We got people in here making cupcakes. They're going to ice them. It's a competition. I can't wait to show it to you because my mom and my niece are both in it, and they've made it through. There's 2 rounds left. If they make it through tonight, they'll be in the finals for the top 3. So we're going to go in. We'll show you what they're doing. We'll show you as much as we can. Come along. It's going to be fun. Let's get started. So I'll show you a little bit as we sneak in here. Actually, I won't be able to, but this is our depot. You've probably seen it in a little bit, some of my videos, and it's been refurbished. It's really cool. There's a lot of pictures inside. You'll get to see the upstairs, the second floor. That's where we're going to be, is the second floor. It's really nice. What I want to tell you is my mom is a really good baker. You may have seen the video I did of the Bourbon Dutch Apple Pie, and she won that competition, beat me. I made the Dutch Apple Pie. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it down in the description for you. And then my niece is also in it. We made a video with her. And if you haven't seen that one, I'll put that one down in the description as well. But she's making cupcakes. My mom's making cupcakes. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get in there and we'll get started. Okay, so we just got off the elevator. We're on the second floor, and this is what's going on. The kids are going to be on the left when we walk in, the adults on the right. And my mom, I've already been here and checked it out. This is my mom's table. What they're going to do is they've already made the cakes, and they are going to decorate them. Tonight's theme is Death by Chocolate. They got a good turnout. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what happens. There's a lot of work going into these. They probably thought about it all week long. And a lot of pressure. One's going to be eliminated tonight.
Good. I already have my 6, but I'm making some extra.
There you go.
I might as well use it up.
So the big question is, as a kid growing up, the favorite part, do you get to lick the beaters?
Oh, sure. You can lick the beater.
Is it possible?
There's lots of icing left. You can help yourself.
Grab this one right here. It's not bad. That might be first to third. Okay, there's 2 girls still working, and I don't know if you see the ruler here. She just measured so that that display was exactly the same on both sides. This little girl's going to grow up to be an engineer. She had a job instruction sitting here waiting, and she was watching. She was going down through the list as she was building these cupcakes. Over here, this little girl is working her tail off. They're all done, and I gotta say, I am super impressed with the youth. I think the youth could take the adults. The adults are behind me here. They're all done. We're just waiting on the judges to start the judging. What we're doing now is we're slicing them up for the judges to sample. The judges right now are already sampling contestant number 1. Then they have their score sheets. They're taking notes.
To Miss Cindy. Contestant number 1, Sheila. And contestant number 3, Debbie. And can I get a really big round of applause for number 4, Jennifer? All right, young ladies. All right, everybody hold hands like a pageant. Okay? Okay, here we go. In no particular order, okay? No particular order. Moving on to next week. My heart's beating really fast. Okay, number 4, Violet. Number 1, Kenzie. And number 3, Maya. And can I get a really big round of applause for Carissa?
Okay, that was a lot of fun. Mom's moving on to next week. Carissa, she's got to wait till next year. But next week's theme, we're going to do another video for you next week. Next week's theme is Hometown Pride. Who knows what's going to happen? And the mystery is they got to add a vegetable. So stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, because you're not going to want to miss next week. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.